Example on combination. Now first example, in how many ways a team of 11 can be selected from a group of 15 players? So we have total 15 players, and from 15 players we need to form a team of 11 players. Now it can be any 11 players out of 15 players. So we are forming a group of 11 players out of 15 players. So it is 15 C 11. Out of 15 we are forming a group of 11 players. Now NCR is nothing but n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So n is 15, r is 11, so this becomes 15 factorial upon 11 factorial into 15 minus 11 factorial. Now which can be simplified as 11 factorial into 4 factorial. Again, if I am simplifying this, expand this, so it can be written as 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11 factorial upon 11 factorial. I am keeping as it is because this can be cancelled with this, and remaining is 4 factorial, which is 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now 4 3s are 12, it can be cancelled with this, and 7s are 14. So we have 15, 13 and 7. We have to multiply 15 into 13 into 7. This is nothing but 1, 3, 6, 5. So there are total 1, 3, 6, 5 ways we can form a team of 11 players given 15 players. Our next question. There are 10 persons at a party. If each shake hands with all others, how many hands are shaken? So there are total 10 people at party, so we can consider n as 10. Now for shaking a hand we need at least 2 people, right? So at a time we can shake hand with another person, so it is nothing but 2 persons or 2 hands. So we require 2 hands to for shaking hand, right? So r is nothing but 2 in this case. So out of 10 people we can choose any 2 at a time for shaking a hand. So we can basically selecting 2 people at a time from 10 people. So it is going to be 10C2, which is nothing but 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial. So again this can be written as 10 into 2, sorry, upon 2 into 8 factorial. Now expanding this, this can be written as 10, 9 into 8 factorial upon 8 factorial into 2 factorial. So this will get cancelled. So here I have 5. So we are left with 9 into 5, which is nothing but 45. So in a party, suppose we have 10 person, total 45 hands can be shaken. Next example, there are 5 gentlemen and 4 ladies. In how many ways can a group of 2 men and 2 ladies be formed? So we have total 5 men and 4 ladies, right? And out of 5 men we have to choose any 2 men, and out of 4 ladies again we have to choose any 2 ladies. So out of 5 we need to form a group of 2 men and 2 ladies. So out of 5 we have to choose any 2, so it is nothing but 5 C2, and out of 4 we are choosing any 2. Okay. So this can be written as 5 factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial into again n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial. So 5 factorial keeping as it is, this can be written as 2 factorial into 3 factorial and 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So this 5 factorial can be written as 5, 4, 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 into 1 and 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 into 1. So, this will get cancelled, can cancel it here, again this will get cancelled, we can cancel this here. So, what we are getting is 5 to the 10 into 3 to the 6, which is nothing but 60. So, suppose we have 5 men and 4 ladies and we need to form a group of 2 men and 2 ladies, then we can form 60 different groups using from 5 men and 4 ladies.